Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Clark. I'm the engineering manager here at Everglades Boats. Today we're out here on the water on our 273cc. The 273 is our largest 3 Series offering. The 3 Series is our line of boats that is our inshore, offshore, bay hybrid type configuration. So this 273 hull, along with all of our other Everglades hulls, is built using our proprietary patented ram cap hull construction process. So ram cap forms a single piece, rigid, cohesive hull structure that is unsinkable, very stable, and rides like nothing else out on the water. So this 273, along with all of our other hulls, comes from the factory with a lifetime hull structure warranty and a 3-year equipment and component manufacturer warranty. Starting up here in the bow of our 273, we have a nice anchor locker access with a recess mounted Lumar windlass, toggle windlass control. We got an 8-inch fixed cleat here to tie off your anchor rod. So up on the deck around the anchor locker access, we have 2 8-inch pop-up cleats, our red-green bow navigation lights, and then flush-mounted optional rod cup holder combos. And then surrounding the port and starboard bow bolster cushions, we have a nice powder-coated grab rail here on both the port and starboard sides, 2 cup holders on both port and starboard sides, and then a spacious port and starboard rod locker and general storage up here in the bow. These rod lockers are also lockable, so you can secure your tackle while it's stored down in there. Up in the bow seating area, we also have these really nice removable bow backrests that mount into 2 Smith rod holders. If you remove these, you can obviously use those rod holders for rod storage or mount the backrests, and it makes for a really nice, comfortable lounger seat up here in the bow. So in between our forward port and starboard bow seating, we have a spacious 82-gallon fish box that's both insulated and macerated. Great place to store a bunch of ice in your catch while you're out on the water. Just behind that in-deck fish box is a nice 97 quart insulated cooler. So as we move to kind of the midship region of the boat, lockable gunnel storage on both port and starboard sides. These are great for dock lines, fenders, life jackets, things of that nature. Midship 8-inch pop-up cleat, fuel fill fitting here on the port side, and another rod cup holder combo with a matching one on the starboard side. So tucked in here behind the starboard side bow seating area, we have one of our JL Audio 8.8 speakers. This boat is equipped with our premium JL audio package option, which includes 4 total of these 8.8 JLs, 2 7.7s that are mounted in the hardtop, a 10-inch subwoofer, a Fusion Apollo head unit at the helm, all connected and powered by an 800-watt JL amplifier. So on the transom area of our 273 here, this boat features an optional 8-foot power pole blade, which can be controlled from the wireless push-button switch on the dash or the wireless key fob remote, which you can wear around your neck. Really convenient for shallow water anchoring. Over on the port side corner of the transom, we have a nice fiberglass swim platform with a retractable stainless steel swim ladder that mounts up underneath the platform. Makes reboarding and getting in and out of the boat to and from really, really easy. In between those 2 features, we have our power plants on this boat. This particular 273 is powered by twin 300 horsepower Yamaha outboards. The Yamaha package provides really great performance on this boat. Top speed will be around 57 miles an hour, wide open throttle, and we'll get a cruise range of about 275 miles at cruise speed. This 273 is also available with twin Mercury 250 horsepower V8s or twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8s. All 3 engine packages are fueled by the same 157-gallon fuel tank. So there's a lot of great fishing features built in to the aft end of the leaning post here on this 273. On the starboard side here, there's a spacious 31-gallon Livewell, which is plumbed with a dedicated Livewell pump and a separate recirculator pump on a clear acrylic lid with a nice thick gasket that really seals very well. Also on friction hinges to keep the lid upright while you need to access your bait. Over on the port side in the center here, we have a nice starboard cutting board for cutting and prepping your baits, and a sink with a freshwater washdown sprayer connected to that 20-gallon freshwater tank. So on both port and starboard sides of the leaning post here on the 273, there's dedicated tackle storage with built-in plano tackle trays. providing ample storage for all your terminal tackle. So the forward end of our leaning post on the 273 features a great helm seat configuration with a really nice, comfortable bench backrest and individual bolster cushions, which allow the captain and their passenger to either have the bolsters up or down, depending on what their preference is, while the captain's operating the boat and the passengers ride along. So the 273 Hardtop has a lot of great features to highlight as well. Lots of molded in details for the hardware and the courtesy lights. Molded in details to receive our powder coated aluminum hardtop frame, which is all constructed in-house, as well as the hardtop itself. We have a nice canvas life jacket bag for convenient life jacket storage up ahead. Moving aft, we have two more courtesy lights in molded in recesses, two JL77s as part of our premium audio package option, and a Lumitech aft spreader light. The aft end of the hardtop frame rolls around and has four nice rod holders and a ski tow pylon built in on the center. All right, so here we are at the helm of our 273cc. The 273 helm boasts a lot of impressive features and serves as a really great command center to operate this boat from. Starting up at the top of our hardtop electronics box area, we have our Garmin VHF 315 radio to starboard and our Fusion Apollo head unit for our optional stereo package to port. Moving down from the electronics box area, we have our Everglades patented hydraulic windshield system. The hydraulic windshield is such a great feature on this boat and really adds a lot of functionality. When it's up in the fully upright position, as you see here, it provides great wind and weather protection and really helps keep this helm area enclosed and keeps you out of the elements. So you can also retract the windshield and get it down out of the way to increase airflow on those hot summer days and also reduce the glare while you're operating the boat at night. Moving down from the windshield area, we have our Ritchie compass that's mounted to the port side. We have our full switch panel display here. Each one of these push button switches are premium Bocatech resettable circuit breaker type switches, which is a really convenient feature. You have our Yamaha CL5 display here in the center, which is provides all of your engine data and information for the twin Yamaha 300s on this boat. Moving down from the switch panel area, we have twin Garmin 16-inch 8616 displays. So this 273 standard comes with just a single 9-inch Garmin MFD. And here we're seeing the Elite electronics package upgrade with the twin 16-inch MFDs. Moving down from the MFDs onto the main console surface here, we have our trim tab controller. We have our stainless wheel. We have our autopilot controller, which is part of the autopilot option packaged with those Yamaha 300s. Our throttle control, our power pole push button switch, a nice grab handle, grab rail for your passenger. Watertight glove box, good for chuck space and storage. All of our remote battery switches here underneath the wheel, which is a great convenient feature. And your mic for your VHF radio. Just to the right-hand side of the throttle control, we have two stainless steel cup holders that are plumbed out to the side of the console. We also have a USB phone charger and an audible alarm that's hooked up to a high water level sensor in the bilge to alert you of any high water level conditions down there. So inside the console of our 273, we have access on the port side down into a fully enclosed head, which has a macerator pump into a dedicated holding tank and a nice teak accent step and a porthole window on the starboard side. Thank you guys for joining me today on this bow to stern walkthrough of this incredible 273cc. If you guys would like to learn more information about this boat or any of our other Everglades offerings, navigate over to our website at evergladesboats.com. If you'd like to find a dealer in your local area, be sure to click that Find a Dealer tab on our website. Also be sure to please follow us on social media at Everglades Boats. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you on the water in Everglades soon.